CA Deepti Chheda here. I work with professional students who are preparing for CA, CMA and CS exam. I help them in giving them all the conceptual coaching, that is all the coaching with superb clarity, so that they can perform well in their exams and they can make a good bridge between the practical linking and the theoretical knowledge and reach higher heights in their life. Now this is to talk with all of you regarding the results which have come up just a few days back for all the professional exams, and so many students are asking me, shall we give for the verified copy or the certified answer sheets? Then one point regarding this I want to clarify and talk, because this is I am discussing almost with so many of the students, is see, when you give, I think 28th is the last date and for the verification, and if you want to get the certified copies, it's like 2nd of March 2021 is the last date to get your certified copies for the final exam which you have written, right? So within 1 month you can apply for the copies. Now when you applied for verified copies, frankly there is no magic that you are going to get your marks increased, okay? But one very important thing is, if you are having a very strong thought in your mind that ma'am, I really wrote the exam very well and surprisingly I got really very less mark, there's a difference, then please get the certified copies open. Don't just give for re-verification and retotaling. Get the certified copies open so that you can compare the certified copies and the suggested answers published by the institute, and you will come to know whether you have compressed some points or whether you have written some points in quite brief, or you have skipped some points, so that you can prepare really well for your next exam. You are hardworking, you are smart working, then don't miss out on this. At least one subject, one paper where you feel that you need some inputs where exactly you are lacking, then do get the certified copies open. On the institute's website you have the suggested answer. Spare some time and do self-correction. I hope this is helpful to all of you. Thank you so much for being with me till the end. Signing off now, CA Deepti Chheda. Bye-bye. Best of luck.